In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Start by selecting any app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background like that. When you're ready, click on the icon of it at the top and select Open in split screen view from the pop-up. Then click on the second app you wanna use and enjoy using both at once. If you wanna go back from this view, you can do that by holding those three dots in the middle and dragging one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button to close the remaining one. But you can also go back into the background and swipe both of them like you would any other app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!